Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add a raw file comment. So what this allows you to do is put a comment in the raw file, so if you ever need to come back to this project, you can see a little bit extra information, especially if you're looking through the raw file, which kind of acts as the black box within FieldGenius. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm going to open up the Plumbob menu in the bottom left corner, and within my main menu here, I'm going to click on Survey Tools, and then the Add Raw File Note. Now I'm going to add a note, which makes sense, and I'm going to say, Nolan, please feed the dogs so that I remember to do it later on. I'm going to hit OK, and then what it's going to do is it's going to take me back to my map screen. So if I go back on my Survey Tools in the Raw File Viewer, you'll see that the last comment is that Nolan, please remember to feed the dogs. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you add a note or comment to the raw file using FieldGenius for Android and the Raw File Note tool. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.